Is your iPhone constantly telling you the storage is full? Can't take any more photos or install that new app you've been waiting for? Don't worry, I am going to show you how to free up a ton of space in just a few minutes. First, let's see what's eating up all your storage. Go into Settings, tap General, and then iPhone Storage. This will give you a clear breakdown of what's using the most space. Next, scroll through that list. See any apps you haven't opened in months? Just tap on them and hit delete. It's that simple. Photos and videos are usually the biggest culprits. Go through your camera roll and delete any long videos you don't need, or move them to a cloud service to save them. After that, let's clear out your browser. Head back to Settings, find Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. Finally, for a pro tip, go to Settings, then App Store, and turn on Offload Unused Apps. Your iPhone will automatically remove apps you don't use, but it'll keep all your data safe. Try these steps and watch how many gigabytes you get back instantly. For more quick tech solutions, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix. Thanks for watching.